Afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What is your name, please?
I am Kiki Lagolapitan, 31 years old.
Okay.
Single mother with 2 children, ages 10 years old and 7 years old. I'm a high school graduate from Philippines. I have experience as a domestic helper in Jordan 2006 to 2008, Finnish contract, 5 members of family, 2 couples, 2 children, ages 5 years old and 3 years old. My second experience in Qatar, 2011 to 2013, Finnish contract, 5 members of family, 2 couples, 3 children, girls, twins, 3 years old, 6 months old boy. Latest experience now in Hong Kong, only 8 months. They are 4 members of family, 3 adults and 1 children, 1 years old.
Why you terminate, ate?
My boss decided that daughter is stay at dormitory school, so that's why they
Release you.
released me.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.